this is the only wig you need this summer. This wig is everything. Well, for me, this is the only wig I need this summer. It's short, check. It's curly, easy. Put it on my head, go. Y'all, this wig is the one. And it's super, super affordable at this length. Yeah, this is one y'all won't see on Poshmark. This is one I'm definitely keeping for myself because I'm absolutely in love with this unit. I can 1010% recommend that you go and pick this one up. I'm super excited about because it's from one of my most favorite human hair wig companies, and that's Nadula Hair. The wig itself also comes in a silk storage case, which is also great for storage or traveling, all that jazz. Now, as far as details of the wig, like I said, look in that description box, but I'm gonna read directly off of the sticker. This is a 7x5 bye-bye knots lace wig. It is a jerry curl wig and it is 10 inches long. Let's take it out of this plastic wrapping so we can look at the cap construction. It is the summer, it is hot, so I'm always looking for something short and easy. And I really think this little bopper by Nadula is going to give us that. That's it, straight out of the pack, just on my hand. I think this one is going to really slap. You get that 7x5 parting space, which is more than enough parting space for you to do it and part this however you would like on this unit. You also have a comb in the back and some adjustable straps here, and the glueless band that's going to make this lace super, super flush to your head. You won't need any combs in the front, any of that. What I'm gonna do is I want to put this wig on my head. I'm gonna adjust the strap, put this wig on my head so y'all can see what the wig will look like right out of the pack. All right, so let's see what we are working with. Yeah, I know that I'm going to be in love with this unit. Gosh, it feels really comfortable on my head. Yeah. Now it's a 7x5, so you could part this anywhere within that parting space, but I think I'm gonna keep it over here to the left. I'm gonna wet this a little bit and then I'll be back with my final thoughts. But yeah. This is going to be right up my little alley. All right. All right. So I'm gonna put a little bit of tinting spray on there. This is medium brown. I'm gonna put this tinting spray on there and wet this, and shouldn't take me very long at all. You guys, be right back. is the only wig you need this summer. This wig is everything. Well, for me, this is the only wig I need this summer. It's short, check. It's curly, easy. Put it on my head, go. Y'all, this wig is the one. And it's super affordable at this length. Yeah, this is one y'all won't see on Poshmark. This is one I'm definitely keeping for myself because I'm absolutely in love with this unit. I can 1010% recommend that you go and pick this one up. You know, like I tell y'all all the time, I've been wearing wigs for over 10 years, but I cannot comb hair. This is what I'm always looking for in a wig. Something that is beginner or can't comb hair friendly. And I definitely think that Nadula hit this one out of the park. I love this little fun, flirty length of it. Everything about this one is just dope, y'all. Look at the description box and put a direct link to where you can click it and go and pick this up because I definitely think, I didn't mean to get aggressive, but I definitely think that you will absolutely love this one. Until next time, which will be very soon. Bye. Nadula.